southeastern Lassen County in northern California, central Washoe County in western Nevada, until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northeast of Hallelujah Junction, Oregon, 11 miles southeast of Doyle, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, fencing, and trees. Locations impacted include Pyramid Lake, Sutcliffe, Dogskin Mountain, the Needle Rocks, and State Line Peak. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If on or near Pyramid Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Central Washoe County in western Nevada until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:47 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles northwest of Pyramid Lake, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, fencing, and trees. Locations impacted include the Needle Rocks and Sand Pass. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Pyramid Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Thunderstorm warning for Story County in western Nevada, Douglas County in western Nevada, eastern Carson, the city in western Nevada, central Lyon County in west central Nevada until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:19 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles northwest of Reed Heights, or 19 miles east of Carson, the city, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, fencing, and trees. Locations impacted include Dayton, Fort Churchill Station, Stagecoach, Wabusca, Silver Springs, Raw Peak, Mount Carmel, Artesia Lake, and Smith Valley. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging wind. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows.
Yeah, that was funny. I just heard a first set of EOMs and then it went straight to their EOMs. Yeah. I'm also here with EAS Test Fan 25 and Radioactive Girl 00.
Hi.
Yep, they witnessed the whole shenanigans.
Service in Reno has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Churchill County in west central Nevada, Story County in western Nevada, southern Washoe County in western Nevada, north central Lyon County in west central Nevada until 6:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:34 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Derby Dam, or 18 miles northwest of Lahontan Reservoir, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour along Interstate 80. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts, eagle-sized hail and torrential rainfall. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, fencing, and